Problem number 4 from Algebra 2. All right, to solve this problem, we first have to figure out, okay, what is the least common denominator of all of these within this complex fraction going to be? So first, we break down each one of these into its factors. So we know 4, so if we have 4, that breaks down into 2 times 2. 3 is just 3. That doesn't break down, it's a prime number. 9 breaks down into 3 times 3. And then we have an x squared. We know that's just x times x. So when we're looking at our least common denominator, we know because the 4 has 2 2's, it has to at least have 2 2's. We've got 1 3 from this 3 and 2 3's from this one. So we know our least common denominator is going to have 2 3's. And we know because this x squared has 2x's, it's going to have 2 x's. So what we're going to multiply top and bottom by would be 4 times 9 times x squared, which is 36x squared. That's what we're going to multiply the top and bottom by. So times 36x squared over 36x squared. So we're multiplying these by that. And now we are distributing in. So I've got 36x squared times x plus 4 over 4 plus 36x squared over 3. That was just 1 times 36x squared. Notice I did not distribute this in yet. That was on purpose. So hold off on distributing that in. And then I've got 36x squared times 4. So I can just multiply those. 36 times 4 would be 144 x squared over 9. And then I've got 36x squared times 16. Ooh, it's a tough one in my head. 540. 500 and let me think. 15 would be 540. 576 x squared over x squared. Okay, so we are simplifying here. Now as Ms. Pinson likes to say, we've made a mess of this, but now is the time that we simplify. So notice how 36 and 4 combine to be, you can divide both those by 4 to reduce, and we get 1 here and 9 here. 36 and 3, you can divide both those by 3 to reduce, that becomes 1. This one becomes 12. 144 and 9, that would be 16. So divide each by 9 and you would get 1 here and 16 here. And then the x squared and the x squared, those cancel out. So my final answer, now that I've reduced, so I've got 9 x squared times x plus 4, which I'll be able to multiply in here in a minute, plus 12x squared all over 16x squared plus 576. And now let's finish this up by distributing in our 9x squared and then combining like terms up here. So I'm going to have 9x squared times x and 9x squared times 4. So that's going to be 9x cubed plus 36x squared. And I've got plus another 12x squared up here, all over 16x squared plus 576. And now I can combine like terms with my x squareds. So I've got 9x cubed, and I'm just rewriting this over here. 9x cubed plus 48x squared all over 16x squared plus 576. And that's my final answer for problem number 4 on homework 9.5b.